Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got something a little bit different to introduce on the channel. So I've never owned one of these like for quite a while. Um, so as you've seen by the title, I've bought a Game Boy SP. I did have one about 2 years ago. It was a dark blue one, but as you do, you move on. So that went. Unfortunately, I just like sold it on to someone else, and then I went like out, and then I just randomly like found it, as you do when you like look for retro stuff. When you look for finds and that, you just randomly find it in like out of nowhere. So I just randomly found this Game Boy SP, which I'm gonna unbox now on the channel. I will get it out and then I will talk a bit more about it, and we'll go like around the condition and that as well. And I am happy that I've got one as well, because I did enjoy playing on my other one that I used to have about 2 years ago. So I'll get it all out and then we'll go a lot over it and that. So this is what I bought. As you can see, it's a Game Boy Tribal limited edition. Really like retro, and they're like so good as well. It is like one that I've always wanted, but never got a chance to like own a limited edition Game Boy SP. Um, this is the charger. As you can see, it's in pretty decent condition for the age of it, and it's a genuine Nintendo charger as well. A lot of SPs have the original chargers as well, but they do break. That happens a lot with wear and tear. But it's looking good so far. The condition of it, I will just like go over it on that. So as I said, it's a limited edition Game Boy Tribal, and the Game Boy SP actually came out in 2003. The blue one that I had, that was in pretty decent condition. I still should have kept that, to be honest. Even when I started the channel, I should have kept that. This was way before I started, but it was about 2 years ago, like I said. And it's really amazing. So looking at the front of it, it's got a little bit of fade on the logo, as you can see, but it's not a big issue. It's got the scratches, but these are old, to be honest. They're about 16 years old now, and like I said, they came out in 2003. So they are gonna have wear and tear, but it's looking good. Like still, even with the colour coming off, it's just showing its age a little bit as well. The sides and that are in pretty decent condition for the age as well. Yeah, it's got a little bit of marks, but that's what you would expect for something like this, because it's been used around a lot on different games and that. The charging ports and that, and the connectors along here are in pretty decent condition. Moving on to the side, it's in pretty decent condition as well. The cartridge bit as well, it's in clean condition. Normally you'd get like lots of dust along here, but it looks pretty well, to be honest, and it looks clean as well. The back of it needs a little bit of a clean on the back, but I will like sort it out. And then the buttons as well, the R button, the left button work fine in that as well. I did test it before I buy it, but I will just quickly like show you what it looks like. But it's amazing. Like I just found it out of nowhere, like in the shop, just sitting there. And then I didn't pay a lot for it either, because considering it's like a limited edition, if the condition was a little bit better, then it probably would have been like more. But because it's in like a little bit of a bad state on the front, the condition lets the value down like every time, to be honest. But I will just quickly show you the inside of it and that. But inside's like pretty good, to be honest. It's got the screen, as you can see, the logo inside as well. It's in clean condition for the age as well. And then the buttons as well. You got the select button, the start button as well, which is pretty good. They work fine in that as well. All the buttons work fine. I will just like power it up just to show you guys what it's exactly like. But most of you that have owned like Game Boy SPs would like know what I'm talking about. It just starts up like that, to be honest. And then you got your flash as well. Like if you want to play like in the dark, then you put that on, or if you want to like switch it off, then you can switch it off. So you got an option. With the Game Boy original, you never had that option until like kind of when this one came out. This was the first Game Boy that had the flash built in. And it flaps down pretty well, to be honest, and it feels good as well. Nice and comfortable, and it's really, really popular as well. Even now in the retro scene, a lot of people still buy these now, and like the Game Boy, like literally, the Game Boys are like still my favourite on in the retro scene, and like a lot of other like retro people still probably buy these as well. But like I said, I loved my blue one, so the only reason why I considered buying this one was because I had so much fun with the blue one. I wish I did keep the blue one, as I said, but unfortunately I had to sell it, and then I just bought something else. But this was way back before I started the channel, but that was pretty good. There is like other limited edition ones you can get in the Gameboy SP. You can get the NES limited edition one. That's pretty good. I've seen that. They go up like quite a lot in value. You've got this one as well, the tribal one. I'm sure that they made a Pokemon one as well. I'm guessing that they did because I have seen one before. And then you've got like obviously different colours as well. You've got the red edition, you've got the blue edition one that I had a couple of years ago. And then you've got just other colours as well. But they're all amazing handheld like retro consoles. It reminds me of like a DS, but obviously like the DS's didn't come out at that sort of time. But it's amazing, and I just love the shape of it. And like I said, for what I paid for it, it's alright. But you're gonna expect wear and tear like along here, as I discussed at the start of the video. Along there, that's just scratches, nothing major. But it's just how it goes, to be honest. It's still looking pretty well. The screen is immaculate, as I just showed you guys. There's not really many scratches along here. It's just pretty clean. The inside of it ain't that bad as what I thought it would have been when I opened it up. I just randomly found it, like I said, in a pile. But it is really, really good, and I'm so happy I finally get to own one again. So I think I'm going to end the video here. Make sure you guys like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.